You got a new T1 Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, whatever it is. You're dealing with one of these jump seats that will not open. It is stuck closed. There's a trick for it. Rather than ripping this thing off and breaking it, we're just going to go real easy and go after the source of the problem. I have the spare part here. We're going to flip it over and we're going to see this little lock. This little lock right here is supposed to operate based on gravity. And as you can see, it kind of does sometimes. That little lock right there. So that little latch is what is preventing your jump seat from opening. Okay, so the question becomes, why is this latch stuck like that? That's what's causing it to not open. The answer is pretty simple. Something's stuck in there. Or it's wedged in place. Either way, solution. Get yourself a rounded pick tool. You're going to want to go in straight through the center, turn it back, and pull towards you. Now, for the sake of demonstration, what you're looking to do is get the pick tool in here, pushing that back. So what that would mean in practice is going up, through, and pulling like that, and then lifting the latch as you do that. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with one hand here. Okay. Now that it's open, I'm going to see your little latch right in that hole. I'm going to spray some lubricant in there. I use SC1 personally. It's a silicone base. It's not even a lubricant. It's really a trim dressing, but it does the job pretty well. And I don't mind if I spray it on the plastic too. So I'm going to get that moving. This is SC1. As I said, not really intended for use as lubricant, but it does the job, gets things moving again, and I don't care if I get it on the plastic because it makes the plastic look good. There we go. Doesn't leave a really thick coating. It's one of the few products I'd actually recommend nowadays. So, we're all set. You've checked. It's swinging. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty hard to see. It's in there. But she's swinging. Let's close it. Back in business.